Kneeling squat, kneel to heel squat, Caesar squat. How to do it? 1. Start in a tall kneeling position. Knees hip width apart. Torso upright, core braced. 2. Slowly sit your hips back toward your heels, keeping your spine neutral. Don't round. 3. Lightly touch or hover just above your heels. 4. Drive your hips forward to return to tall kneeling, squeezing your glutes at the top. 5. Move with control. 2 to 3 seconds down, 1-2 seconds up. Breathe in on the way down. Exhale as you rise. Muscles working. Primary, glutes, hip extension. Quadriceps, knee extension. Secondary, hamstrings, assist hip control. Core, stability, hip flexors, lengthening control. Calves and ankles, stabilizers. Erector spinae, posture. Benefits: builds glute strength without loading the spine heavily. Improves knee joint control and tolerance through a smaller range. Enhances hip mobility and awareness of hip hinge versus knee movement. Great for beginners or rehab, low impact, easy to scale. Reinforces upright posture and core stability. Useful as a warm-up or finisher for leg days. Common mistakes: collapsing the chest or rounding the lower back, letting hips drift forward instead of sitting back, rushing the movement and bouncing on the heels. Variations: assisted kneeling squat, hold a chair or wall for balance. Weighted goblet, kneeling squat, hold a dumbbell at chest. Band resisted, band around hips pulling backward to increase glute demand. Tempo reps, slow 3-5 sec lowering for control. Isometric hold, pause, 2 or 5 seconds near heels. Single leg bias, stagger one knee slightly forward for asymmetry. Kneel to stand, progress from kneeling up to a full standing squat. Elevated knees, place a pad under knees for comfort or slight elevation. Tips: keep ribs down, glutes active, and movement smooth. If knees are sensitive, use padding and limit depth to a pain-free range. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.